Let's talk about the best iPhone 16 Pro hack for mobile filmmakers. Powered, external storage, it's like the ultimate all-in-one, on-the-go filmmaker setup. Today we're unlocking 4K 120 FPS ProRes LOG video recording and saving you about $400 in storage upgrade costs.
Hello, I like money.
The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are arguably the best pocket video cameras that you can get today. But if you want to record in ProRes LOG to take full advantage of it, you're limited to 4K 30 frames per second internally. Not to mention it's going to eat up your storage really quickly unless you get a really handy external SSD solution like this. It's affordable, attaches with MagSafe, supports attaching other MagSafe accessories like these ones from MOFT, and even lets you stay connected and powered all day while filming. So this is the Hagibis MC100, an M.2 NVMe enclosure, and inside we have a silicon power 1TB SSD. You can use any M.2 2230 NVMe up to 2 terabytes with this, but right now, this $70 1TB model from Silicon Power is the best deal for its size, so that's what I've gone with. The Hagibis enclosure also comes in two options. The 2230 version, which I've got here, has two USB-C ports, one for data transferring to your phone and the other for 100-watt PD charging. That second port lets you charge your phone while recording without having to unplug your SSD each time. Before picking this up, a lot of the other SSD enclosures that I was comparing this to didn't even have the power port on there, and I think that's a must-have feature if you want to record all day long. For 10 bucks more, you can upgrade to the Pro version, which adds another USB-C. It's a 2.0 port at the top, which is good for connected to other accessories like the DJI wireless mic 2s. That way you can actually sync your audio directly with your video files and you don't have to do it in post, so that's pretty cool. But one of the things that really sold it for me is that, again, MagSafe, MOFT, power bank, attached, powered on, charging my phone, and now that's attached. Powered, external storage, it's like the ultimate all-in-one, on-the-go filmmaker setup. Putting it all together is super easy. Pop off the 4 screws on the back of the enclosure, slide in the SSD, secure it, and stick on the included thermal pad to keep things cool during use. Close it all back up and you're almost there. Before you can connect it to your iPhone and use it to record video, you need to format it on your computer to exFAT. After that, you can plug it into your phone and you're ready to record those huge ProRes LOG video files. Speaking of file sizes, this is what you can get with the 1TB drive. 4K, 24 frames per second for 179 minutes, 30 for 144, 60 for 72, and 120 for just 35 minutes. I mean, that's pretty wild considering that without this, one, we could only record 4K 30 frames per second, but two, I mean, now we can record 120, that's incredible. Just keep in mind though, you are going to need to be a little bit smart with what you record. You're gonna fill this up pretty quickly because again, those file sizes are massive. But another big advantage with this setup is that it saves you a lot of money compared to buying a 1TB model from Apple directly, which would be a $500 upgrade over the base 128GB storage option. This is a little bit less than $100, so that's a pretty great deal.
Money!
But beyond that, you have all your video files recorded here now. So I can directly disconnect this from my phone, put it into my computer, and I'm ready to export, edit, or share them without needing to deal with my phone now. Also, since your phone recognizes this as external storage within the Files app, you're not just limited to recording video. You can free up your phone's storage and use this for your photos, music, documents, or whatever else. So there you have it, turning your iPhone into a serious mobile filmmaking tool with the one simple and inexpensive accessory. I think it's the best money I've spent in a long time.